The Department of Tourism and Travel Management, Lady Keane College, Shillong is now open for admission. Join the 4 years Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management professional program at Lady Keane College, Shillong and embark on a journey beyond borders. For more information, call the given number on the screen or visit the website www.ladykeanecollege.edu.in.
Banang kersian susu ia ke kamrep jong kipan ba nong rep hapok ke jelah. Badro banang kerti ia kipan nong rep Hariboh distrik lengba kilat jingrap nang sorkar. Menteri rang ba ke jelah konrad kongkal sangma mentak kesengi walaupun benapat ba ia ke CM Ashore Scheme. Ha ke bak sorkar jelah kalaupun mangkerpang ia ke Hariboh distrik hadu sau kelur tengka kebolong nak bentaban kentiu ia ke kamrep jong kipan ba ketany. Ia kena jing pun benapat ba benirap kerpang ia kipan nong rep Hatem Hariboh distrik. Menteri rang ba ulakran ha ka jingilang pai ba ke bala pelong menta kesengi hak senong kli stem Hariboh district ke senong ke bahap hapo ke Mahuti constituency ke bari ke jingilang ke bala pelong ha ke wei ke jeka ban kun show bat lum miau sensar ke bala tim kum ke Basuba Broms Producer Company Limited. Menteri rang ba ulong ro ba ke sarkar jela lang ba ke CM Ashore Scheme kipat nong rep kinyo jing mentoi shibun ke ba jing don jong ke Basuba Broms Producer Company Limited hak senong kli stem Hariboh district kalai rap shibun ye kipat nong rep ban wan penpoi yau sensar bat nang ni kinyo ban jalan sikiwi pat ki jaka jong kari shushu kum gadak jong jing sedang ban jalan yau sensar nak ni jaka sya Central Warehouse Corporation kebenaran nong ba Guwahati jong jela Assam la pelai pat ba hadu 1000 nyaus pa metric ton usensar nak ni kathany kini kalai rap ye kipai ba nong rep sensar ba kim don kam shu ban lek di hayo badru kinyo ha gador ke baya biang bat ke rep jongki ha ka jingal jengkeran jong menteri rang ba ulong ba sarkar kan nang beteng ban kersian ye kipai nong rep ke balong ke wei ni jing temu ban nang kentiu ye kipai ba ke jela khamtam ye kipai ba nong rep nalor menteri rang ba bolwan poi he ne kesengi kum kongsan laidon lang ru UMLA kathany uba Charles Marngar nang tau deputy commissioner ke district wa Abhilash Baranwal ki officer baper jong ketenat ki kamrep hapok ke jela ki pai ba nong rep bat kiwe
Bharti Urja
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. This government has come forward and taken some very, very difficult decisions, but decisions that were necessary to support our farmers. The different mission mode programs, whether you talk of turmeric mission, whether you talk of ginger mission, whether you talk of the aroma mission, the mushroom mission, and many, many more mission mode programs, gave a sense of direction, a timeline, and a way forward to achieve goals in a time-bound manner. Whether it was introduction of technology to ensure that the different produces that our farmers produced would get a better price. You look at the processing units that we have given for turmeric processing, the processing units we have given for jackfruit processing. And very recently, a product that the Honorable MLA has been talking about, for ginger processing right here in Ribhoi district, where a 23 crore rupee ginger processing plant will be inaugurated in a few months from now. Work is going on. With a capacity of almost 4,000 metric tons of production. And it will help the farmers all throughout this region. And like that, many, many more processing units will be sanctioned by us. And the beauty of all of these processing plants which we are supporting is that this is not owned by the government. We fund it, we give the money, we give the equipments, and we hand it over to the farmers, to the cooperative societies, to the people to run. So there's been a lot of technology inputs, a lot of improvement in overall packaging of our products, so on and so forth. Whether it's important policy matters that needed to be done. We created the Directorate for Food Processing, realizing that there's a very important gap that needs to be filled. We took the decision, we went ahead with the creation of a directorate. Whether it was programs like CM Assure, a policy decision had to be made. We realized that our farmers were suffering during the lean period where prices were dropping, lean in terms of demand. And we had to make a tough decision of how we would intervene. And we committed 100 crores for CM Assure today. And I'm happy to tell you that within a matter of months, we have already released 10 crores. And out of the 10 crores, 4 crores is only for Ribhoi district alone. And thousands of farmers have benefited from this. I know you still have a lot more challenges. But this is only to show you that we are there with you. And
bahkan rung lakum no 6,000 ton broom grass. So I would also like to take this opportunity to request you in building a warehouse along the Mauhati Road, sir, which would greatly benefit to our farmers. This facility would enable them to properly store broom, grass, and ginger, sir. These are the two of the major agricultural products in my constituency, sir. Such a warehouse would not only reduce post-harvest losses, but also help the farmers to get better market value by allowing them to store their produce and sell it at the right time. So one thing I truly admire about you is your ability to stay focused on development despite criticism, sir. Iway na kinongkren manta ilaong. Bagi kinong rep ngimpat ju ikendu yo chief minister kumbai kendu yo chief minister manta. Kadai gejing shisha. Tinamar katang isko kemen ban nasode ban ai kublay yo chief minister. Hapadeng gejing sha kan tho gajong ju ngap ju riat. Usngap jar ban utrai lagakam. Nakam dagane ngagerpat ipi bapin sobaha ban ai gejing thapti ke bajam nam tau chief minister ju. I know, sir, you are a leader of action, not just word. I know how tirelessly you work, often at the expense of your own rest. Sir, I want to assure you as a local MLA, of my full cooperation and commitment to work alongside you. We pray that God continues to bless you with strength, wisdom, and good health as you lead us forward.
Kum kata ka director jong katanat kerep karyang jong ka horticulture. Henry kum kawai na kisaki kiba nga soto ya ka jing ya ka jing shon ka jong pi ha ka gadai bakakam ban khai ya une usensar. Nga soto baka jing yap ya ka jingrat sensar kalong kawai na kalat kamai kaji jong pi kaba kinong rap ha ka ni ka jela jongi kilakwat sadu ka 20,000 ngod kiba im na kabaret ya une umar jingtung. Ni don ke area kumba arkun ri wajar nyuspa san kunyo hektar hapo kani ke state ke jongi. Henry kat bagi sngi kin snem kinang ya ni yo I bapia kendu chifuan ki jing ha kaba pin ya iyo ya une usensar. Kador ngangek pinya periang batnya hateng ke kiu bat hateng ke hiar. Habakador ke hiar, kalong ke jing do nong ke bakrau. Ke jing sya penjot haka kamai ke ji, ka kata lut ya ke jing don kam jong kalong yeng kalong sem ke jong fi. Dei hang ni kain baka sorkar lingba ka jing alam jong menteri rangba badan buron jong I Konrad Sangma walas ngokia shon ya fi kinong rem ki badai ubut lom jong ke yo ke kot jong keri ulawan ban yuk kejat daladihi hakani kesngi ban sngap ban pek bat khamtam ban yentenrong lem takapashim yaki senjam ban pentrikam yakata ka CM Assure Scheme kane ka CM Assure Scheme kade ka scheme jong ka sarkar jela ka ba penja iyo yaki marrep jong pi ki bompuot hakani ka jela jongi idon tang artli ki marrep ki bahap hakani kita kidai usensar bat ukuai. Daina kani ke scheme kaba ka sarkar kala bu ya ka dor ka babyang kabala ban yarap ya ka kamai ka ji jongfi. Ya ka jingsiu pisa ya kaba ka sarkar kan tiet ya uni usensar ka dai lengpa ka direct benefit transfer kamut ba ka pisa haba ka sarkar kala tiet kan lek baik direct sya ka account jong kinong rem. Omla ban yo manu yang ni kepisah henry kandai baik kita kabawan na po ka account ke jongfi. Ya kani ke scheme la penrekam lingba kata ka Meghalaya State Agriculture Marketing Board. Sisien bakas ba yo sensar jongfi la di lingba ki aggregators jongfi unwan baik chopok Meghalaya State Agriculture Marketing Board. Kajing kajing shon jong pi unong rep menta ya kani kan kitno da kabot da kabatiet ya usensar jong pi kata kamut ha ugrit san pusan tengka shikilo ugrip b sauho tengka shikilo but ugrup c laipo tengka shikilo but way lani ka way kan nong rep kala ban yo bandi hadu praspa kilo kata kalong da ka group e ulak ban poi sya ka sauhu hajar tengka. Kadai kani ka scheme ka ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kwat jong pi kumru ka jingkermen ya unong rem. Hadu kani ka sngi la syamba kumba arhajar nyuspa metric ton. Arhajar nyuspa metric ton usensar lalum nong kinong rem ki badon sya ka arhajar sauspa prapunyongot bat ka jingsiu ka baka sarkar kala penlut ka long hadu si poklur silak sapu prahajar sispa san pusau tengka. Kabut kan ya trailang ru bat kata ka Center Warehousing Corporation na kabanta bandi bat ban khayi yu sensar syabar jong ke jela. Da kan ye kan yarap khamtam ban penyo nong syu ya pi kinong rem. Ti pila ban keli kumno ban apply ya kan ke scheme. Ya kan ke scheme pila ban apply lingba kata ka make one portal. Bat kinong rep ki barep ki dei ki bandon Kibladep rep lupa ya usensar haka area kapa arhajar kapa hektar.
Ta banyarap yang ikum ginong rep haba usensar uba bit uba biang uba paka ba ngiji sayo ngiyo ya kedor ke basau kau tengka. Dan rai lengba jong kanika ka CM Ashok scheme ngila bandi au sansar jungi hagador ka basan pusan teganaga long kalalong ka jiarap ka bakraw yang ikum gunung rem dan rai ka ai ka bangadon ban penpau long ba jong ka por bad nga scam nagalang jong ki paranong rep ro pia menjur hiya kata bat pia tip khamba ma piru kumbanga tip lane kumbanga mat jinge manga nagalang jong ki paranong rep ro pi mat jinge ya kaju namar pa ya kane ka dor ka bala persyang ban yarap daga sarkar jongi ka bamanta lane da chief minister badon burom jinge habide bat kane ka ashar scheme kampat long ka babiang ladang i khen ya ka jingnot jingsep jongi ha ka ba ni trai ni rep ni yang komno ban penyo yo sensam tenamar kata ka jingkar pat kalong kumba pila persyang ban kuner yala ka jongok ti ka basubun jongpi sar ke kanrat ke sanma balong kumunung chief minister ubadon burom jongi ubadon ka jingkir kli ubalong kumu chief minister ubadon shisha kata ka mensiam ban ai ka jira ber ka jingkir shan yang ikum ki nongrem ngakerpat lane ngikerpat lemba jongi ka por sar badon burom jongi haba pin sobha ya kaban nang yarap shishu habide bat ki kamrep kamriang jongi banagane ka dor ka basan po san pinang penyo shishu yang i ka dor ka bakambiang bat sakawai kan lengkot lamba jongi ka por namar ka por kambun banginyo ban yakran hanrai ngasya ban penpoy ban penpau lamba jongi ka por habide bat ka jingrep sing jongi kum shatisha shane ngamtium hanrai shatisha dong mawati jongi yidang don kam shisha ya kaneka jinjar mission ban penroy ban peniar habide kumno ban rep sensa ban rep sing ngamur benong tenamar kata ngakerpat ya kaneru sar badon burom jengi hagaba pin sobha ban yarab yangi kum kinong rep syagane ka dong kathan kenang makan long ka jiram namar kum kinong rep nyemat shibun ke jinge ban psa ban pendap ya ying gasam kamtam magini kisni ki jok kisni ki barem ladangin paish ke biskol ladangin pai ya ke mar bam mardik bat kumtar tete tenamar kata lang bajon ka por ka mga don ban panpaw kalong ba ku mga laong menesya kemat bang yim padlap meno ya kata nganut penong hakarta junga kumu kena bedang rit baga sarkar lanegi waypat ki sarkar ki balalait no ban kener ka bakum kane ka jikener ban ai ka jiram andai deitang kane ka sarkar ka bayalam daga NPP hapo jong ka jiram jong sar badon burom jongi ibala ya rap shisha yangi kum kinong rap tenamar kata ka jingkot ka jiwer nagalyang jonga kum way na kinong rap barit na barit tam kalong yapi ki paranong rap hagabaw ngin sobha ban kunar yala ka jonga kti ka jungi hakano ko por lane bangin bulem maka jing duwai bagane ka sarkar kabala ya rap shisha yangi kum kinong rap bakane ne naga por segapor bakan ai ka jing sanchar lane ka jing rap yangi kum kinong rap
Admission open ka Petar Kema Model Degree College Ribhoi District ka khot admission nagabenta ka BA first semester ka lat bahajan nagabenta ki samla pule nagabenta ki jingtip ki babanya phun hau number praiwe laiwe pranot sanar khandai not lani pra lainyo not prasan riu khandai san kini kide ki kor komputer ki ba internet bador badar ni di hajan jongpi hangne hadukan jongi Hanong Po Town Shopping Complex, Harishan Enterprise, Hakakamra Kabashispa Iway, Refurbished Laptop but Desktop, Punhau Number, Pra Iway Lai Arnot Sau Pra Sansau, Lani Pra Lainyo Arnyo Sawar Riunyo. Pidon kam projector ban peni film, ni pidon kam projector nak bentaki awareness program jongpi, pun singi ni IY Shapi, Pranyo Laiway, Kendai Riuway Arnyo Lai.